presently or now we are going to be doing writing a program to calculate the volume of a cylinder. That is a mathematical function. So we are going to create cylinder volume. Cylinder. I'm naming my form to be volume of a cylinder. I'm clicking OK. So we are still going to follow the same steps. So don't forget we have our guide. So let's follow our guide, volume of cylinder. We are going to name the form volume of cylinder. File name. So volume cylinder. So go to the property of the form, change the text that display here to volume of the cylinder, volume of the cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. So that's that. Then what are we told to do? We have to 1, 2, 3. This 3 label, this 3 text, and then 1 button. But I will be using 2 buttons, so I will change this in it. 3 label, 3 text. I will be using 2 commands, 2 buttons. 3 label. 1, 2, 3. So this one state base radius. You don't need the just leave it like that. No, I don't need this one now. Label, text. I want to finish the design. Then the button. So this, I'll just shift it. Just like this. Okay, so this will be, so follow what you are told to do. So the label, the text, what we display there is radius. So here is radius, that is the text, don't forget. You have the text and the name. So radius, height, volume. Radius, this one. You have height. And this one. You have volume. Semicolon is there because that is what will actually show us the result. So this one is I will use calculate I will put and. I'm sure you understand the meaning of that parenthesis, just to show the under for shortcut. Then I will use this one, exit. So I will be putting parentheses in. So from here, I will just redo the form maybe. Then so let's see. Don't forget we've not named the property. This one is okay. Let's go to next place to actually see. So let's see our instruction. The instruction says go to the property window and change the form captions to volume of cylinder. Okay, we've changed it. Drag the we've done that to radius I. Drag and insert 3 labels into the form and change their caption to base, radius, height, and volume respectively. After that, insert 3 text boxes and clear its text content so that you get 3 empty boxes. Okay, I think we're having 3 empty boxes already. Oh, let's see. Okay, we're having 3 empty boxes. Is there anything in the content? Yes, okay, there is nothing in the content. So after that, okay. So after that, insert 3 label boxes and clear its text content so that you get 3 empty boxes. Name the text boxes as radius, HGHT, and volume. Don't forget, name the text boxes as radius, HGHT, and volume. So let's go. Text box. This is radius. Their name, not text. Radius. This one. HGHT, not height, so you need to be very careful. HGHT, then this one. Don't forget, I mentioned the other time that most of the name we insert here we always use in the program. So if it's like you can decide to change this one for identification purpose, you can use TST volume, but that means you have to reflect it to reflect in your when you are doing your program. So don't forget that. Let's follow this. Insert 2 command button and change this caption to this. Okay, it has been done. Now save the project as cylinder.vpp. I think it has been done. It has been saved because we already saved it for volume cylinder.vb. So now let's see what happens again. Say double click the calculate and insert the following code. So we have to double click. Okay, they say radius.test. Where is this test from? R equals to value radius.test. So this is radius. Okay, this is what is referring to. This text here referring to this insert. So now let's double click this. Okay, sorry, I already have one. Did I double click a label? Okay, I double click this one. Did I need it? So button 1 underscore click. Okay underscore click. So I will go back. This one calculate. Okay, this is I didn't do the okay. That's calculate. I want to use this is a button calculate. Then this one button exist. So this one we double click the other time. So copy this. name R is not declared. That's true. And this button 1 will be calculate. R equals to value. So what is R? We need to actually declare this variable. To declare R, to declare R, so I'm coming. So here I have to declare E and here R H by let me declare P2 as single. So then we declare them to be single. That means a single value. Insert R. We are not saying R equals to value to request for us to insert R. To request for us to insert each. Then we've given the value of pi already. Then the calculation will go. Then now volume.test equals to this. So let's run it and see what happens if you run it and you trying to see what is happening. Okay, so here is 2, here is 3, then calculate, that's 37.7142. So if we change it to, if we want to change it to 1, 2, calculate, can you see it changes, keep on depending on the value. There's things we didn't set the floating point. I think that's another thing entirely. That's why it's showing us all these things. There's a way you can set it that we actually use the 2 decimal places. Let's say it like this. So what I will do next is I will want to put so in order to operate it in to use a keyboard, how to insert the value of R and the value in, to have this underline. We had some parentheses there, so let's this one wasn't, don't forget we didn't even include code here, so we are going to stop it. So this one is I think we have something like that in the previous code. Just going to copy the exit button. Main.close. So this one, let's double click. Movie and this is end. This one is supposed to put a description to calculate the volume of this. I've told you the other time that this hyphen, we actually let the program see it just as a comment. You see it as a comment, so it won't execute it. So okay, I actually wanted to insert, so that to be able to the radius here. Okay, in the test, goes and there. in the height, put and there, then in the volume. Okay, we don't need the volume. We don't need the volume. We don't need to put anything because we are not actually inserting. It's not meant for insertion. So this place, let me see. I need to see if there's a way I can log to. I want to lock it in such a way that nobody will insert them. So let's run it and see. R. This way I put it. Alt R is actually pressing this. Alt R. Can you see? So let's exit. Let's see what happens. I want to see how we can the exit work actually. So this one. Label name. It's not having any name, so I know it's something I could test it. Yeah, tabs should work. So as okay, so that's that about that for now. I hope what we wanted actually ran. F5, then 2 or C, calculate, we get our result. So that's that about that. I want to replace it